To create a new document in Adobe Illustrator, you simply go to File, then select New, or use the shortcut Ctrl+N, and you will have that window. Here you can put your name or the name you want for your document. Let's name it, for example, let's name it Facebook emoji project, and in profile you choose some predefined presets, either for a print version, for a web, for a mobile, and so on. And after you choose one of them, you can go to size and choose other sizes for your profile. If you clicked on web, you find that you will have, or you will get, other sizes. What we need is a web profile, and we will set our own width and height. In the width we will put 1000, and in the height, in the later projects, we will put 700 pixels. And that's generally all you need to know about creating a new document. After we finish, we click OK, and we will have our artboard. We'll find its title here. We can close it from that little X mark. Now, if you want to open a file in Adobe Illustrator, you can go again to File, then go to Open, or use the shortcut Ctrl+O. Let's open one of the files we have in the source files. Look for the basics folder, choose your version, and select basics file, then open it. So this way you can open a file in Adobe Illustrator. So see you in the next video.